Hey, Monique Daniels here, and I am so excited because I just created a new product that is going to be a game changer. Okay, it does have a cold component, but I'm just going to show you just the one right now, and then I'll be back up here to show you the other part of it. But, anyways, this is a rose oil moisturizer, and it is infused with rose petals, rose essential oil, and rose hips oil. And it is amazing, amazing, amazing in benefits. So I'm going to actually read off some of the benefits because I don't want to forget anything. Oh my goodness. I use sunflower oil as the base because it it has so many benefits, and this oil actually isn't greasy. It's not greasy at all. Like, it'll absorb deep into your skin, and it won't leave like a greasy feeling to your skin. So that's the beauty of this. So I'm so excited about this. So excited. Um, but anyways, let me read some of these things off to you. Okay, so the sunflower oil has a lot of amazing benefits for the skin in itself, just by itself. And some of them are that it's quick to absorb into the skin, it hydrates the skin. A little bit goes a long way. It's not going to leave a greasy feeling, like I said before. It's a good source of vitamin E. It protects against free radicals. It's an antioxidant. It's anti-aging. Okay. It helps to protect the collagen in the skin. It reduces fine lines. Okay. Um, it's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and it actually helps get rid of the bacteria that causes acne, which is great. Okay. Um, it's good for eczema. It lowers redness in the skin. It won't clog your pores. It enhances the overall appearance of your skin in general. All right. It prevents scarring, and it smooths existing wrinkles. So those are just a group of the benefits of sunflower oil in itself, which is the base of this. And I mean, I could go on and on about the benefits of sunflower oil, but that's just, a group of them by itself. Now, some of the benefits of the rose essential oil is that it hydrates the skin, it clears acne, it reduces signs of aging, it minimizes the appearance of scars, it helps with eczema, and it helps with rosacea. So, rose is one of my favorite. I just love the scent. The scent is just so awesome. But okay, now the rose hips essential oil, it moisturizes your skin as well. It's anti-aging. It brightens the skin. Okay, it promotes healing. It's antibacterial. It helps with hyperpigmentation, which is awesome. It reduces discoloration and scarring. It fights acne. It fights against age spots and wrinkles. It penetrates deep into the layers of the skin. It improves moisture. Yes, it helps to improve moisture in the skin. And it also helps to improve collagen levels, which is great for people like me. That's like, getting up there in age, all right? Um, it improves the moisture, like I just mentioned. And then also, it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So this actually, I'm excited to be using it daily myself because there's some things on my face that I would like to clear up. And actually, the serum that I made, which I'll be talking about in another video, it actually helps with a lot of things, and I've already seen like amazing benefits from it. you know, for myself personally. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna put the link in my description box. Click on the link, you know what I'm saying? Check it out. Go to my website. It's up there now, and I advise you to get some of this because this stuff is amazing. Really good stuff here. And like I said, I'll be up here as soon as I can again to show you the other counterpart of this here that takes it to the next level. All right. So everybody have a blessed day. Stay safe, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye bye now.